I feel observed.
That's cool.
How are you?
Come on. Okay guys and girls, welcome to another CodeTap. Well, CodeTap thing, it's a daily vlog. So I'm Marian and
I'm Marco.
let's talk about the fact that sometimes you compare yourself to other coders. So do you do that, Marco?
All the time. So basically every time, I see people that, for example, after 2-3 months of studying starting to study JavaScript, they got it straight away. And for me, now after 6-7 months, I'm still struggling a lot. For example, understanding some core concepts of it.
Okay. So, well, what do I have to say about that? Or actually, what do you have to say about this? Drop a comment below if you're one of them. And what I can advise you is actually it's true. So it happens to me too. For example, with Apache Solar at some point, well, I thought that everybody else knows it and I don't get it. And when you identify this, just accept it and wake up early in the morning. What does that mean? Well, do more of it. So if your natural talent or your natural abilities don't help you get over it, get past it quite quickly, then just do more and more and more of it. It's just like when riding a bike or driving. The more you do it, the better you get at it. So what do you think about it?
I think that they're gonna do it.
Yeah.
They have to do it.
So just push it. So we've done lots of stuff about maps and filters, and they are a way to write lesser code and do smarter functionalities, more like functional programming. So in case you're interested about this, I have a plan into workings. Just let me know if you want me to get it out sooner, which is how to play with arrays in JavaScript. Thanks.
Bye guys.
Bye.